If you're looking for an organizing note-taking app, I'm going to show you two awesome players in the realm of note-taking. We're going to have a look at Obsidian. We're also going to have a look at Logseq. So come with me and let's see what they have to offer. Obsidian is a versatile and powerful tool that creates interactive and immersive experiences. So having a look at what Obsidian actually looks like. For me personally, it's been quite a learning curve having to sort of navigate around and try and figure things out. On the left hand side, you have your menu where you can add your canvases. You can also add your daily notes, and you can add templates from this left hand side menu. You also have a command palette, which basically allows you to create shortcuts. So when you're working, you can make your workflow a lot easier. Another thing that I found with Obsidian is that it doesn't really give you many resources within the app. So if you're struggling to do something on Obsidian, you'll have to jump into their website where they offer a fair amount of resources to help you learn how to use the program efficiently and effectively. So on the left hand side, you also have the options and settings. So here you can see a bunch of plugins as well as those templates, which are pretty decent if you are still new to the platform. And we have some community plugins over here, and then just your general settings. And on the right hand side, you have all of the details of your documentation. If you are opening up, for example, something like this, you have all of the options that will take effect for this specific item, be it a note or a canvas. Now, don't get me wrong, it is a fantastic platform and it allows you to do quite a bit. However, for me, the learning curve is just a bit steep as a beginner. I've jumped into Logseq, and immediately I feel more comfortable because everything's laid out in a more organized fashion. On the left hand side, again, you have all of your menu items, and they have a couple extra things here that is just a little bit different to all of the other personal note-taking applications. So we have journals, whiteboards, flashcards. Those are awesome. So if you go into perhaps whiteboards, you can have a look here. We're going to use this one over here as an example. So you can actually open this up and you can see you have controls on the right hand side, and you can actually create presentations within Logseq, which for me is nice because I am more of a visual thinker. So to take just notes and have to import documentation and create documentation or media from another source or another app, it's a little bit confusing for me. So if you use the toolbar on the right hand side, you can navigate through your whiteboard, and there's a bunch of things you can actually do with the actual whiteboard. So you've got all your tools here on the right hand side. You can add blocks and pages, you can free draw, highlight, there's an eraser, and you've got a connector, which is these lines in between each one of these whiteboard cards. And as you go down, you can see that there's a bunch more options. If you're going into flashcards, it does give you a bit of a demo. So if you're using the tag card in any one of your blocks, you can turn it into a card or a trigger. So this is also fantastic. And if you want to know more about this, it is also on the website. Not much of their resources or their knowledge base is in the app. However, I feel like Logseq is a bit of an easier space to work in. I also feel as if it has more to offer to a creative or a visual thinking person. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. We will see you next time. Peace out.